Hi, my name is Amy. Welcome to Penn Stone. This is our outdoor showroom, which there is quite a bit to see in person. I'm the design advisor here at Penn Stone, and my job is to meet with homeowners. Customers come in after having seen our catalogs, our hardscaping catalogs, and having been online. But there's nothing quite like seeing all of the pavers installed in person and in a natural environment. We have over 100 concrete pavers and natural flagstone. We also have retaining walls, seat walls, anything else that sort of brings the entire project together to look like one cohesive outdoor living space. If you're planning a project this spring or summer, we invite you to make an appointment by going to our website and scheduling directly with me, and we can start working on your project together. I look forward to seeing you soon.